How's it going, everybody? Today we're doing the open house in Destin, Florida. We're at the Emerald Heights subdivision, just south of Highway 98. We're close to the beaches. We're seven and a half miles away from Crab Island. So I'm gonna show you a little tour around this beautiful home. We're at 96 Trista Terrace Ct, Destin, Florida. We're here from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. today. Let's look at this beautiful home. So as you can see, we have a long driveway. You can fit approximately 4 cars in it. And then you have the two-car garage. This home is $449,000. Let's take a look inside. So as you can see, we have the cathedral ceilings. Great natural light in here. You have a cozy fireplace, spacious layout. Of course, is a open floor plan. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a split bedroom. So let's take a look at the front bedroom. Bedroom 1, nice and pretty spacious. The split bathroom. Let's look at room number 2. Another spacious room. Let's head over to the kitchen and dining area. So the dining area, nice area, nicely sized. You could probably fit a full table. Then we have the kitchen. The kitchen was just updated with granite countertops. It has stainless steel appliances. And then lots of storage with the cabinets. Then we come over here, we have the garage. But before the garage, this little half area, this is where your washer and dryer will go. They are asking for $449,000. Let's check out the master bedroom. So the master bedroom does have a walk-in suite. It does have the double vanities. Sorry. Let's head over to the backyard. So in the backyard, we have a fully fenced in yard. The house is equipped with sprinkler systems. Pretty much a low maintenance backyard, no pool, pretty much easy to upkeep. Then again, our location is in the Emerald Heights subdivision, just south of Highway 98. Then again, we are 7.5 miles from Crab Island. And then we do have golf, shopping centers, and top-rated schools. And of course, we have Eglin and Hurlburt Field close by. So this is ideally great for military families, first-time home buyers, or anyone just looking to live near the beach. Then this is the front. Again, this is the front.